Okay, I know what is the first thing that you wish to see. So let me reload this page so you can see that this is not Photoshop or anything like that. As you can see, it is still here. I made 3,621 euros. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Google Trends and Digistore24 affiliate marketing. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on Google Trends and you need to click here on Trending Now. And then here you need to choose a country. Now for the purpose of this video, I will use United States. Now stay with me, it will all make sense. And here you can see what is currently trending in United States. Now here you can choose time period. I choose 24 hours because I need fresh trends, okay? And also what I do, I actually sort this by search volume. Like I said, it will all make sense. And here you can see what are the most searched topic in United States in past 24 hours. Here you can see number of searches. Now, I'm making this video at Sunday, so it makes sense that most of the trending topics are related to sport, as you can see here. So what I need to do, I actually need to find a good topic. So let me just find one of these good topics. Here you can see Cincinnati weather, Fernando Mendoza, who won the game. So I need to find something better than these topics. Now, for example, here you can see how many inches of snow are we getting. Now, that is a good topic. Here you can see it is actually a growing trend. So this is a good topic. So what I need to do, I actually now need to see, are there any products in this niche that I can promote and make money? Now for that, I will go on Digistore24 and I'm going to click here on Marketplace and then click here on All Offers. And then here I can find products that I wish to promote. So for example, I will actually make this smaller and here I will search, for example, weather. Okay, weather, and give it a few seconds. And here you can see there are products that I can promote. So let's say, for example, this looks like a good product. Here you can see this lighter looks like a good product. I can make $6.87 per sale. Here you can see more data. Affiliate commission is 30%. So what I need to do? Now I need to go back here on Google Trends and then here I need to click to see the articles related to this topic. So I will click here. And here you can see articles, here you can see news and other stuff. So what I need to do, I need to click here on search it on Google. And here I can see different kind of articles. So let me just block this. And let's say, for example, I will click on this article here. Okay, so not allowed in my region. Let's say this one here. And now what I need to do, I need to click here and I need to copy the URL of this article. And then I need to go here on ChatGPT and I need to paste that here and I need to give it a prompt. So I can say something like this, for example, rewrite this article and add a little controversy. So I will actually copy this. This is what I like to do. Now I will simply press enter, but I also like to go on Google Gemini and I give it a same prompt and press enter. But also what I do, I simply go here on DeepSeek and do exactly the same thing. Now the reason why I do that is because I wish to see which of these AIs will actually give me the best article. What happens sometimes that, for example, Google Gemini give me better article, but ChatGPT give me better title. So I use title from ChatGPT and article from Google Gemini. Now, if you are wondering why am I using trends that has a lots of searches, now the reason for that is because there is a lots of searches and you think, well, there is big competition. Not exactly, because this is trending in past 24 hours. Not everyone jumped in this trend, and that means there is not that much competition. And even if it does not that much competition, there is lots and lots of people searching that. And people often read 4, 5, 6 articles to get information that they are actually looking for. They also watch 10, 15, even 20 videos to get the information that they are looking for related to that trend. And that is why, even though there is a big competition, there is also a lots and lots of people who are searching that. So you will certainly get some traffic. And if you make a bit controversial video or article, you will get even more traffic. And that is why we are doing this way. Okay, so here you can see DeepSeek rewrote this article. So what I need to do, I need to read this entire article, and then I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to read this article as well. And also I need to go here on Google Gemini, and I need to read this article as well. And then I need to compare these articles to see which one is the best. And also I need to compare titles to see which title is the best in my opinion. So what I can do next is I can simply copy this article, and I can go back, for example, on medium.com or Vocal Media, or even better, on your own blog or website, and you can publish that article on, for example, Medium, and you can promote your Digistore24 affiliate product. In this case, you can promote this slider here, and you will start making money. Now, even better option is if you make a video. Now, how to make a video? You can simply go here, for example, on ChatGPT, and then here you can tell it, give it a new prompt. So I can give it a prompt something like this. For example, make a YouTube shorts out of the article you rewrote, and video must be no longer than 30 seconds, and also add a little controversy to the script, and press enter. And also I will do exactly the same thing. I will paste the same prompt here on Google Gemini, and also I will do exactly the same thing here on DeepSeek. And let me press enter just to see which of these AIs will give me the best script. Here you can see DeepSeek made a 28 seconds long script. Let me go here, and here you can see under 30 seconds. And let me go here. Google Gemini is actually slowest. Actually, they didn't give me anything. So I will compare ChatGPT with DeepSeek, and here you can see this is how it looks. So what I can do, I can give it a new prompt. I can say something like this. Describe each scene in detail so that short videos can be made for each scene. Press enter. And now I will go here on DeepSeek, and I will do exactly the same thing. And now they will give me actually prompts for creating these scenes. Here you can see 0 to 5 seconds. So now I actually need to create these scenes. So for that, we are actually going to use Twitter Grok. Here you can see I'm using Grok, and here I can create images or videos. So let me just go here on ChatGPT. Here you can see 2 seconds. So I will actually copy this, okay? Control C, and I will go here on Twitter Grok, and I will paste that here. And let me just click here, okay? And I will choose a video. As you can see, I used 2:3 ratio, aspect ratio. Click here on video, click here, and now Grok will create this scene for me. Just give it a time to create that scene. As you can see, currently generating. And here you can see Grok created. As you can see, this is actually a really good scene, opening scene. Pittsburgh, brace for snow. This is a good opening scene. So what I need to do, I need to click here, and I need to download this video to my desktop. Then I need to go back here on ChatGPT, and I need to do exactly the same thing for scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4, okay, scene number 5, scene number 6, and so on. And I need to use Grok to create these scenes, each scene, and then I will use DaVinci Resolve or CapCut to merge all of these scenes in one video. Now, I like to use my own voiceover, but if you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can use Grok to create voiceover. And when you go here, here you can see voice, and Grok will create a voiceover for you, or you can use any other voiceover maker, AI voiceover maker, to make a voiceover. Now, after you create your video, what you need to do, you need to go here on YouTube, and you need to upload that video as a YouTube Shorts. And also you need to upload this video on Instagram as a Instagram Reels. And also you need to upload this video on TikTok as a video. And here you can see there is lots of people who are uploading these videos, trending videos, and they are all getting thousands and thousands of views. Now, these trends are really hot, because those are the hot trends in past 24 hours. Lots of people are searching those trends, and like I said, everybody, literally everybody, will get a chunk of that free traffic if you are following current trends. Now, what I do, I upload these videos, and I send traffic from those videos to the article that I published on my own blog where I'm promoting the Digistore24 affiliate product. And this way I'm getting thousands and thousands of visits totally free to my blog. And I'm actually making lots of money. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I made 3,600 euros by using this tactic. This tactic works, and as you can see, you can use AI to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.